I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. It's kind of a long one, but it's not very difficult to learn because it's like very repetitive, but one piece changes each time. So lately I've been doing this thing where I write out the choreography. I'm just going to write out the piece that changes, and then you'll know exactly what to do because we're going to do the exact same sequence every single time, and it's on both sides. So this is an intermediate advanced technique exercise, although at any tempo I feel like it could go down to advanced beginner, probably. But yeah, we're going to take it at a fairly moderate tempo today. You can always slow this video down if you need it at a slower tempo. Try to slow it down when I'm not talking, because otherwise it sounds really weird. But you know, you can make me sound like Darth Vader if you want to. Alright, so this involves riffs, lots of them. So you have options. You can either do all 5-count riffs. Every time there's a riff, it could just be a 5-count riff. Do a thing, and it could just be 5s. For the purpose of this exercise, I've written it as 5, 7, do a thing, 7. 5, 7, do a thing, 7. But if you want to change those to 5s, you can do that. I'm going to be doing it as written, but I wanted to give you that option. So it's 5-count riff and a 7-count riff. So that's and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. That's it. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4. Make sure that you're keeping your weight evenly distributed over both feet. That way you have control over those heels. If you put your weight too far forward, I don't have enough control with that back heel to do it at the right time or make enough of a sound. Keep your weight evenly distributed. See? It's got like all the sound. All right, 5, 7. This is where things change. Each time we do it, we're going to do a different thing on this third slot. The first one is dig, step, and then you do another 7-count riff. So you have 5-count riff, 7-count riff, dig, step, and a 7-count riff. So with the dig step, you're just dig your heel, drop your toe. Say. Okay, I meant so and okay at the same time, and it came out say. So 5-count riff, 7-count riff, dig step, and a 7-count riff. Let's do it all together. 5, 6, 7, go. 7s are kind of fast. Let's go a little bit slower. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Dig, step. Good. Then your left foot's free. You're going to do it again on the left. No change. Right and then left exactly the same. Try the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good. So left 5-count riff. Right 7, left to right, dig step, finish with a 7 on the left. Okay, so let's do that one more time. And then I will give you the other 3 changes, then we'll try the whole thing. Because nothing else changes except that third slot of every single one. So right and left with the dig steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, so it's dig step. The next one is flap heel. So it'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So you have flap heel, flap heel. So let's try just the flap heel one. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and say at the same time, so my rhythm's getting a little weird, but it's okay. Jen, stop being a perfectionist. Okay, third one. Shuffle step, shuffle step. So 5, 7. Shuffle step, 7-count riff. Then you do it on the left. 6, 7, 8. Cool. So, dig step, flap heel, shuffle step, waking up the computer. The last one, you have two options. Number one, you can go back to dig step. Round it out with starting with the first one again. Just go back to dig step. Number two, you can do slurps. I do have a video on slurps. If you've never done one, you can learn a slurp in the step tutorial playlist down below. But if you have, this is where it gets real hard. Because slurps usually are just super, super quick. And we don't think about the rhythm. You have to this time. It's gotta be and a slurp, and a slurp, and a 7-count riff. So really control that foot. Okay? So I'm gonna do the slurp, but if you wanna go back to just to finish out the exercise, that's fine too. Or if you're taking this to your classes and your students haven't learned slurps yet, round it out with the first one, or pick your favorite and round it out with that one. But we're gonna be doing slurps. So it's 5, 7, slurp, slurp, 7, 5, 7, slurp, slurp, 7. Same rhythm. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because like when you get to that, just having the control is so hard. Okay, so you've got dig step, flap heel, shuffle step, slurp, slurp. All right, let's try the whole thing, and then I have a song that we're gonna try it to. Ready? All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big step, big step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big step, big step. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle step. That was really hard. That was like, because I was like, don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up. All right, shall we try it with a song? It helps to do it with a song, for sure. All right, let's try it. Should be about the same tempo. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. It's a little faster, a little bit faster. We'll be okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is so much. That was just like a lot. It's such a long combination. This is such a good one to do across the floor too, because it just lasts the whole time. I'm gonna do that with my tap 4 class tomorrow. I'm gonna make sure that they do this across the floor. All right, how about we do it one more time for good measure, just so that we know we have this. Cool? And you can rewind and do it as many times as you want to, but all right, let's give it a shot one last time. Hopefully. I'm like, oh man, don't mess up, don't mess up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. much fun learning this technique exercise. What a fun one. That really gave me a challenge because I'm a perfectionist, as you guys probably know, and getting that rhythm so perfect is so hard. Like, that's really hard because it's all about weight distribution, and it's also about being in tune with the music and knowing how to count. It is so challenging. So I'm so proud of you for even trying this and working through it and spending time on it. So I'm proud of you, and thank you so much for doing this with me. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this of all levels. So if this was too hard, I've got beginner stuff for you. I've got intermediate stuff. If this wasn't hard enough, I've got advanced stuff. So technique exercises, choreography tutorials to really, really fun songs, popular music, musical theaters, classics, anything you want, all levels. So keep searching on this channel. I've got playlists for everything. I've got playlists by level. I've got playlists by, like, if it's choreography or if it's technique. So definitely check out all of those. We've also got the step tutorial playlist down below in the description, but also just, it's a whole playlist of just learn a step. Pick a step, it's probably in there. If it's not, it will be soon. So make sure you check that out. Subscribe to this channel, hit that thumbs up button, because this channel is full of free tap dance classes and tap dance resources for all of you. It's all free, and I love to give it to you. And I just don't want anyone to miss out on it. So if you hit that thumbs up button, YouTube goes, people like this stuff. Let's push it out more. And then more people will see it, and then they'll go, oh, we can get free tap class. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button on every video that you watch so that YouTube goes, oh, people love this stuff. And then other people can share in the love. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always,